Hi guys, my name is Benoit Kulesza. I'm the founder of Web3TalentFair, the first job fair during the HCC week happening in Paris on July 22nd. Web3TalentFair is the place to be if you are either open to new job opportunities or looking for among the best talent in the crypto space. I'm also super proud to announce you that we have been selected by Gitcoin to be part of their beta round grants happening from now on to the 10th of May. So if you want to support us, please click on the link below. It's a step-by-step guide that will help you to perform a donation to that grant. I hope to see many of you during our Web3 Talent Fair. I can't wait to see you there, and thank you for your donation. Bye-bye.